Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the Bluetooth speakers in Zoom meeting. So first of all, make sure that your Bluetooth speakers are connected to the laptop. First of all, open the Bluetooth inside your laptop, click on more Bluetooth settings and just click on add device. And once you click on add device, just click on Bluetooth and you can make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on and you pair the device correctly with your laptop. Once the device is connected, after that, what you can do is just click on this sound button, just right click on it and click on sound settings. And once you click on sound settings, you will see these options. As you can see, you have to choose the speaker. Either you want to speak through speakers 2 or the headphones. So my mics are connected. I'm using the headphones. So that's why you're seeing the three options. One is basically the speaker of laptop. So once you choose the correct speaker, the correct mic, as well as you can see, choose the correct mic. After that, just open the Zoom inside your laptop or PC and just go to your profile and click on settings. And inside the settings, go to audio. And inside the audio, make sure that you choose the correct speaker, which is your Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, speaker 2 is basically my mic, and speakers or headphones, I can choose whatever I want to choose the speaker. And for the microphone, you just make sure that you choose the correct microphone as well. Once you choose the correct microphone, correct speaker, after that you will be able to use the Bluetooth speaker inside the Zoom on your laptop or PC. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.